Today we're going to learn some magic words. They're called please and thank you. Can you say that with me?
Please and thank you.
When I want a cookie or maybe two, I look at you and say, please can I have a few? I smile big and wait my turn. Manners are the way we learn. I always say please when I ask for something.
It's the polite way.
Please and thank you, magic words to say. Use them every single day. Please and thank you, they're so cool. Make you kind at home and school.
When my friend helps me tie my shoe, I look at them and say thank you. It shows I care, it feels just right. Good manners shine so bright.
Saying thank you shows you're thankful and kind. Try it! Please and thank you, magic words to say. Use them every single day. Please and thank you, they're so sweet. Make your manners nice and neat. What do we say when we get a treat?
Please.
And after we get it?
Thank you.
Yay! You're amazing! If I bump a friend or drop my spoon, I say I'm sorry very soon. Good manners help us all get along. Let's use kind words all day long. Please and thank you, magic words to say. Use them every single day. Please and thank you, now you know. Kindness helps us grow and grow.